Hey guys, I went to this place in Granbury and I got a new kayak. I know I just did a video on getting a new kayak, but I'm gonna show you this new one that I got just today, and yeah, so I hope you like this video. Here it is. Hobie Outback to a
But I got the paperwork, I take it in there.
to a Revo. So I've got my sailing rudder, my sailing rudder, and then I have my fish finder here. And my fish finder, you can see it's all rigged up. I think there's the fish finder part. And then here's the type of fins I'm getting. They're new, so you can be pedaling like this. So there they are. And then you just pull this. Sorry. And then you just pull. So this is reverse, and then this is forwards. So you just pull the reverse, and you're going backwards. And then, so you just pedal it, you're going backwards, and then you pull the forwards, and you're going forwards. And then, so what this is the same exact as a tandem, but it's only 11 feet for the
well, no, you can do it right here. Never mind. I'm just thinking about weight.
so it's it's an 11 feet version of the tandem. There's no, you can't put a square hatch, but that's perfectly fine.
Chargers in here.
So it's the same exact as a tandem, just single version. And then you have the front hatch. And then I'm guessing these are the wires for the.
Oh, okay. So that's the transducer.
Okay. And then you have the seat here, the clip. See there, and then there's the battery. I think the battery is in here. So we switched from this to this sailing rudder, and so there's my new rig.
Well, now take down your fishing pole and meet me at the fishing hole. We may not get a bite all day, but don't you rush away. What a great place to rest your bones, and mighty fine for skipping stones.